Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got my very first unboxing for October and it is Lookfantastic. I haven't had a look inside yet. I haven't seen any spoilers, so it's a complete surprise. If you're new to the subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this month's box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Lookfantastic have also given me a code. I'll check to see if it still works, but I'll pop it down below in the description. It either entitles you to a discount or it entitles you to receive a free past beauty box, basically a mystery beauty box with a minimum value of £50. So yeah, I'll pop it all down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription, to their advent calendar, to any of their other limited edition beauty boxes. I've just had another one through the post as well. This is Clinique limited edition, so I'll be filming that afterwards. You'll find all that down below. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that brings up my description and everything is listed down there. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty box and it ships worldwide. The cost of the box for a monthly rolling subscription is £17.50, and if you take out a 3, 6 or 12-month subscription, that reduces the cost. So for instance, if you take out a 12-month subscription, then you'll be paying £13 a month. Inside you receive 6 beauty items ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, body care, makeup tools, anything beauty related, and sometimes they pop in a added freebie. As with most monthly subscriptions, it can be hit or miss. You're essentially getting a mystery box, so there is a gamble in that, but they do say that every box has a minimum value of £50, and we have seen previous boxes with a value of over £100, but that is subjective because obviously it boils down to if you will actually like and use the products or not. I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out or if there's anything you want to know, then please ask away. But yeah, then let's start opening this up and seeing what's inside. I like the colour, by the way. I do like the colour this month. So we got a booklet. I'll open that up in a minute. The theme for October is Give In to Temptation, going straight to the sneak peek for November. So if you subscribe and you receive the November box, you will either, or you'll get both, it doesn't say actually, there's 2. You will get both of those. I'm assuming you'll get both. but yeah, so what is it? An Avant Pro Perfecting Collagen Touche Éclat Primer, 30ml, or a Colour Wow Dream Coat, 50ml. So it looks like we'll receive both of those in the November box. Yeah, it doesn't say anything different. And then this little booklet then goes on to telling you what's inside the box, and it like gives you, it's like a little beauty magazine telling you how to apply highlighter. It says here there's 8 products. Now that could be a variation. We'll know more when I go through it. But yeah, it'd be fab if you've got 8 products. So why leading into temptation? Why that theme? Sourcing products that we believe you'll want to try every single month and have fun whilst doing so. It's like the temptation when your best friend says, don't look now, but you can't help but turn your head at the flash of a light to see what they're talking about. Well, we want to make you feel like that about your beauty box and strive to make sure that you're always in the know on the hottest and most tempting products out there. That's why this month we wanted to turn up the heat and bring you 6 must-have products that leave you feeling tempting on the outside, but most importantly on the inside. Okay, so we will get 6 as we normally do. So there's 2 variations. So let's see what I got then. Sneak peek first. Oh, I love this. This is Ritual of Sakura. I'm assuming it's Sakura. Yeah, it is. Home perfume, rice milk and cherry blossom, and there's 50ml here. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous scent. I really like it. Hold on, let me take this thing off. How do I do that there? Don't want to spray the camera. Oh, I'm obsessed with rituals. And yeah, this is gorgeous. Really, really lovely. Happy with this. Next to all the products in the book, they've added QR codes. So if you want to learn a little bit more information about each item, then you can scan there. I'm assuming anyway, but it just says, yeah, buy the full size here. So it'll lead you onto the Lookfantastic website where you can read up about the product. I've just noticed, actually, here are where the variations come in. You will either receive this one, which is a home perfume, or you will receive the Ritual of Sakura, the same scent, but in candle, which is 25 grams and it is worth £5.50. So there, you will either receive that one, which is what I got, or that one in your box. I'd be happy with either because I absolutely adore the scent. Next up, we've got IsoClean. This is a makeup brush cleaner and there's 110 mils here. Really great size. I've only tried tiny little samples and they haven't got a spray, so I've never used them. I have got a few lying around here, so I've never used them. So I really like the fact that I've actually got one now that's got a spray. Why am I spraying? It's for brushes. It's for brushes. But yeah, makeup brush cleaner. This is worth £8. And the second and last variation of the box, you will either receive this one or a makeup sponge cleaner for the same price. So I got that one, or you will receive that one. So either a sponge or makeup brush. There you go. Next we got some makeup removing wipes. These are by Magnetone London. Wipeout Swipes. Eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Removes makeup with just water. Let's get them out. There's usually 2 in here maybe. Yeah, I've had these before. They're just really nice and soft. I use them to apply a liquid exfoliator or if I'm using micellar water. So yeah, they're upstairs as opposed to downstairs in the bathroom. We have a downstairs bathroom. Wipeout Swipes, eco-friendly cleansing pads, and these are worth £8. And yeah, it just says using circular motion, gently wipe away your makeup and just use warm water. So we've got a pack of 2. Next, oh, Kores. How do you say it? I keep forgetting. It's Greek. Kores, or Kores, I think it is. This is an Apothecary Wild Rose Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. It's the Brighten and Plump, and there's 20 mils there. I love this brand. I'm actually going to Greece again. I know people are like, bloody hell, Claire, you're always away. But it's because my family and I, we booked 2 holidays, one to Santorini and then the other one then. We were going to Crete, but we've had to change it. We're now going to Parga in mainland Greece. We booked these before the pandemic. Well, one before the pandemic and one during the pandemic, thinking it'll all be over, but it wasn't. And obviously this is the only year that we've been able to go. So yeah, so we went to Santorini a couple of months ago and now we're going to Parga for 1 week. I can't wait. I've been wanting to go to Parga for years and years and years. It just looks so beautiful. But I'm going to be on the hunt for some Kores. They're bound to be in some pharmacies maybe, I'm hoping anyway, or even in the airport. I've tried yogurt foaming cleansers, I've tried different moisturisers and a mask, I believe. I don't think I've tried this one, Night Brightening Sleeping Facial, unless it's in my ready to use pile, which I haven't touched yet. Maybe. Yeah, I am really chuffed for this. This size here, did I tell you the size? 20 mils is worth £14.50. I'll take this with me as I'm going to Greece. Yeah, it feels nice. Not too heavy. A nice smell. It's very natural. Very, very subtle. Oh, it just makes my skin feel really, really soft and smooth. Oh, that's lovely. So yeah, a night brightening sleeping facial there. Next, we've got a Luffia highlighter. And there's a little mini palette in the advent calendar. 100% vegan and cruelty free, high performance, pigmentation. And in all honesty, I don't know anything about this brand. Do you lot know? What have you tried? I'd love to hear, so please let me know. Whoa. Let's blend that out a little bit. That would be really nice when I've got a tan. If I just let my skin go its natural shade, which is really, really pale, I think that colour wouldn't suit me. But I think with a tan, I think it'd be quite pretty. Or even as an eyeshadow. This highlighter alone is worth £10.99. And yeah, that's the only information I can tell you about it. It's from Germany. But yeah, I don't know anything about it, so it's a new brand. And then lastly, we have got a conditioner for your hair by We Are Paradox. This is a moisture conditioner with argan oil for supreme hydration. And there's 50 mils there. I haven't tried this one, but I absolutely adore the 3-in-1 conditioner. It is just so gorgeous, to the point I've got a huge 950ml bottle. It's pricey, but it lasts for months and months, so all of us in the family use it. We really love it. And yeah, I haven't tried this one though, so I can't tell you anything about that. The 3-in-1 conditioner is anything to go by, then yeah, I look forward to trying that. It's a shame we haven't got a shampoo though, because that is one of my little bugbears. I do like it when we have a shampoo and a conditioner so that they can work together in tandem. So this 50ml conditioner is worth £10.50. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the October Lookfantastic beauty box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got Ritual of Sakura. This is a room fragrance spray. You will either receive this or a Ritual of Sakura little mini candle. Got IsoClean Makeup Brush Cleanser. You will either receive this or an IsoClean Makeup Sponge Cleanser. We got Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes. 2 little makeup removing pads there. We've got a Luffia Cosmetics Highlighter. We've got a Korres Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. And lastly, we are Paradox Moisture Conditioner. Looking at all the products here inside the box, yeah, absolutely love that. Really happy with that. Really happy with that as well. Interesting to see how that works with my brushes. I need to read up more about it, see how you go about doing it. So yeah, you need to go on the website to find out more information basically. These wipes, they are great. I use them daily. I used them this morning to apply a Paula's Choice exfoliator on my face, but we see them all the time, so there's nothing new, nothing different. So it's a bit, okay, but I will use them. I will use them. This highlighter, pretty shade. In all honesty, when we receive highlighters like this or eyeshadows, singular ones, I tend to not gravitate towards them. If my makeup is all laid out, I don't think, oh yeah, I'll grab that highlighter. Unless it really blows my mind, unless it's absolutely amazing, I just tend to leave them, which is a shame because it needs a little palette really. If it wasn't a little palette, then I would more likely grab it. I'm weird. Are you the same? Probably not, but yeah. That's my thoughts on that anyway. This is a fab brand for hair. I'm sure I'd love this one as well. Overall, it's a great box this month. Some really nice products. Some we've seen before, but others we haven't. So yeah, I'd say it's definitely worth the price you pay for it. But that's my opinion. What do you think? Do you absolutely love it? Or do you think, nah, it's not for me this month? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.